Okay, we're going to look at this real quickly here. You see we have a blank screen. First thing you want to do is go down in the lower left corner, and this is where you're going to set up your themes. So this little menu pops out at the side, and I'm just going to choose energy blue. There are a lot of different screens for you, and it gives you a quick demo. I'm going to pause the demo and put in a title here. This is our second video for it, and you can position this wherever you need to do this. I usually try to find a spot where you're going to get the most dark. And then I'm just going to go to the end of the video and then bounce it back. And you notice I come to this part right here. I'm at the beginning. This is where I can do my lower thirds. So I'll put my name in. And I can determine how long it's going to stay on there. I just want mine on there for 3 seconds. And that's it. So that's pretty easy. Now you'll notice there's other things you can do to customize it, but that gets into complicated stuff. So I'm going to play this for a moment, and you're going to see me talking.
And now we're recording, so I can do a little navigation here. You can.
While you're doing this, you can easily change to different views. This puts the presenter and the presentation, on here at the same time. So this puts me on the left. If I click it again, it goes to the right. So you can choose whichever side you want, and you play a little more and watch it shift.
Demonstrate anything that you can put on your screen.
Now I noticed I started scratching my nose here, so I can actually back up to here, and what I'm going to do is at this point I'm going to switch to full presentation. So a lot of things you can do to make your presentation.
It's just very easy to do. So I can do a search here. I can bring up the Adobe menu for a presenter.
Now when you have screens like this, you might want to show it to your viewers a little bit better. So I can take this back to here, and what I'm going to do is choose the magnifying glass. It gives me this screen, and I can just grab that and lets me zoom in right on the part that I want to show. So I'll play a little bit more.
Presenter, you can do this and then just click on that. I'm just doing a...
Now I want to go full screen because right now it's going to go to the full screen of the browser. So I double click inside the box and it goes full screen.
Quick little demonstration for some footage to show you how you can do some things here.
Now you may notice you're getting little icons on the bottom here as you go. If you wanted to cut something out, we'll move ahead a little bit here to this part. I can actually cut. I click the plus, it's going to take off running, so I want to be ready to pause it.
You can go back to the menu.
Okay, I want to cut this out. I click the checkbox
here,
and it's going to skip it. You'll notice it's grayed out in the play bar because it's a non-destructive cut. That means I can go back, and if I say, oh, no, I really want to do that, I can click the garbage can, and that is removed for me. Now, there are a lot of other things to do, but those are the basics. That's all you have to do. You can play with all kinds of parts of it, like you can do annotations. You can even put a quiz in it, much more complicated. But those are the basics of what you have to do in this. So the next thing you do is you click home, and you're back home. If I double click on this again, opens up my project, and publishing it, you can publish it several different ways. You can publish it to your computer, to Captivate Prime, YouTube, or Vimeo. I typically just publish it to my computer. It just lets me do whatever I want with it when I'm done. But there you are. That is all there is to this. Enjoy using Adobe Presenter Video Express.